See through. Yeah. Alright, yeah, okay. I ate on crack. I ate on crack. I am not white, I am black. I put you in a sack, a dirty sack, a body bag. Put you 6 feet under, like a rolling thunder. I am cold like the tundra. I am like a bundle of joy. I taste like soy. It's like a koi fish. Listen to these delicious dishes, cause I am nice and I will let you swim with the fishes, because I am like a dog, no a pit bull, I'm vicious. I am crazy, I am Kane, cause I'm insane, and the membrane cause of pain in the rap game, cause I am like a light I turn on and off. I am like the thunder or a ponder. Don't you ever ponder where I get my skills? Full of kills and thrills like the nitrous. No, the nitro. I do what I do. And you do what you can do about it. That's what Lil Wayne said. But I don't care. I come at your head because I'm the best. Put me to the test. I'll show you that I'm the greatest MC. I'm better than the rest. My skills will never be put to rest, because I am full of jokes like a jester. Call me Brock Lesnar. I am brolic, and I frolic through the flowers. Watch me bloom. Watch me bloom, because I'll boom through your neighborhood quite soon. And I'll come with all of my boys and toys and coys and goyles and froils and poils. And you don't know what that word means, but I do, because it's Kane's Royals. In your face.